Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the two important acts which are Factories Act and Employees State Insurance Act. First, Factories Act 1948. In Factories Act, factory is any establishment where more than or equal to 10 people are working together if power is used, or factory is an establishment where more than or equal to 20 people are working together without any use of power. In a factory, children less than 14 years are not employed. So in a factory, if you see, children less than 14 years are not employed. And those adolescents between the age of 15 to 18 years are declared as fit to work by certifying surgeons, and once they are declared as fit to work, then they can be given work between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. as working hours. The work hours should be 9 hours per day or 48 hours per week to a maximum of 60 hours per week, including the overtime. The adolescents should be given work or allowed to work for 4.5 hours per day maximum. Then they are also entitled for leave with wages. 1 day per 15 days of work for adolescents, and leaves can be accumulated up to 40 days. Then we have to see the recommendations of health, safety and welfare of the worker. So per worker there should be minimum of 500 cubic feet space available per worker. There should be one safety officer per 1000 workers, one welfare officer per 500 workers, one canteen for more than 250 workers, one crèche for more than 30 female workers. And there are around 29 notifiable diseases, and among them which includes silicosis, anthracosis, bicynosis and bagasosis. Then we have the next important act here, which is Employees State Health Insurance Act, ESI Act. Employee State Insurance Act, ESI Act. According to ESI Act, it is under the Ministry of Union Ministry of Labour. The chairperson is Union Minister of Labour. Contribution, employer, that is employer contributes 4.75% of wages, employee constitute 1.75% of wages, center is to state contributes 7:1. So maximum is contributed by center. Then if you see coverage, this ESI Act covers all non-seasonal factories where more than 10% are employed, and it also covers all other factories where more than 20% are employed, and their income should be less than 21,000 per month. It is not applicable for defences, mines and railways. Benefits are of the person is provided with 6 benefits: medical benefit, that is full medical care; sickness benefit, during which 70% of wages are given for 91 days. Then we have extended sickness benefit, where 80% of wages is given for 2 years. Enhanced sickness benefit, where 100% of wages are given for 7 days in vasectomy and 14 days for tubectomy. Then we have temporary disablement. Temporary disablement is done for 90% wages till recovery. Then we have permanent disablement. Permanent disablement is given here. We give 90% of wages which is worked by medical board. Then maternity benefit. Maternity benefit includes 100% of wages for 26 weeks. 100% of wages are given for 26 weeks. And we have dependency benefit, where 90% of wages are given as pension, and funeral expenses are given up to 10,000 rupees. So all these are the important benefits in Employees State Insurance Act. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.